Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use reports in QuickBooks. So first thing, open QuickBooks. Okay, so in my case, it's a sample company, which is service-based company for landscape and gardening. And here you have at the top menu, there is option for Report Center. Click on that and it should open a window. Okay, and we are going to see list of reports with categories on the left. So company and financial, customer and receivable, sales, jobs, vendors, purchases, inventory, then employees, banking, accountant, lists, budget, professional services, and project costing. Right? So say if you choose to use any of these reports, simply let's say I want to choose profit and loss by job. So I will double click on it and it will take me to another page where you can see I have profit and loss assigned based on the jobs, right? So here you see the job for Adam's Candy Shop, then Andres and Christina, then another place, multiple places. The jobs and their respective profit and loss are listed here, right? And you can even sort them out based on dates. As you can see, date from 2018 is listed here. Considering this is sample file, the dates are old, right? Then there is reporting type here, report basis, accrual or cash. You also have filters here. You can check account, all income expense account, then fiscal year to date, and then all customer jobs. You can hide that filter. Then there is a show column option for jobs. Then there is sort default total, right? So these are some of the options that you have here. Okay, you can also customize this report the way you want, what to show and what to hide. You get filters just like the one here, but here you can choose different options to view as well. Then there is header footer, how you want to view this, and fonts. So from visual side you can modify it there, right? Then there is also print option or email option, or you can also get Excel output of this. Then there is hide header option, collapse rows and collapse columns. And then you can regularly refresh to see the report changed. So here is your print option. You can save as PDF. So say if I choose to do this on desktop, I can simply type the name, QuickBooks report, save it, right? Now it says QuickBooks can't complete the current action due to missing component, right? So it needs that print component, so that seems to be missing. So you will have option to only check the report and print from this particular printer, right? And then we can go for print. So here let me go for desktop, QuickBooks 2018 or something, some other date, right? And you have all the pages printed here. If everything is going the right way, then you will be able to see the print file on desktop, right? So it is properly exported and you have your report generated. As you can see, all the data that we can view within the application is now exported into PDF file for you to view. Now this comes in handy when you want to give the output to someone and want them to go through, and printing is the only choice you have in that situation. Then these reports come in handy. You can also send this to someone through PDF format as an email or Excel, and convert this into worksheet and send it. Right, so these are some of the options that you can try out with QuickBooks Report Center.